Hi all, today I'm going to be showing you the settings specific to my Wedge Eye Shader. So yeah, let's begin. First I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna drag in the light version of the shader. So you're just gonna drag it into your Unity project, hit import, and wait for that to load. And if you notice, if you go under Mai Lofi, shaders, Mai Eye Shader, Wedge Eye, you have some examples here. And so you can apply different stuff, and you have your settings here. However, if you click this button, you can support me on Patreon, and you can get the download to the full version, I guess, or I don't know. So you can also just drag this in if you already have the light version, or you can just drag in the pro version, I guess, from the start, and it will allow you to get access to all the settings. So if I do create material, and then I can go Mai Lofi, my wedge shader. You can see we have these settings now. Yeah, so besides the examples, this is how you make like a, if you want to customize it, you can just make a new material. So yeah, let's go over the different settings. Let's go over the main settings first. So this one's self-explanatory. It's just color. So let's say we want to get maybe some dark green. That might look cool. Next up, we have ring panner, and this is like how much it rotates. So, I mean, if you want to go like hypnotize mode, I guess, I mean, you can get some hypnotic effects with this, but I like to keep it either off, I think that looks cool, or like, you know, just like a really small rotation. Noise strength is so if I turn it on to 0, you'll see it's just like a wedge, which is why I call it wedge shader. But if I crank this up, you can get it to like look, I mean, that's like, I don't know. You get cool effects. Like if I were to change this to red, you can get like, I don't know. I think it looks cool, like some fire-ish kind of thing. Next up, we have emission, which is emission, so how much it will kind of like glowish. So, you know, if I turn this to a brighter one, it will be very bright. But yeah, a combination with the tint and then the emission, you can get like pretty much any color you're looking for. Next up, we have the different eye modes. So we have 1, 2, and 3. And the cool thing about these is you can combine them to make like even more effects. That makes sense. So starting with 1, this is, I mean, they just look different. So this is the look of 1. This is the look of 2. Let me crank down the emission a little bit. Or sorry, the noise. So you can get like, you know, I think that one looks good with like a little less noise maybe. I think that looks cool. So you got 2 and then 3, which is like, you know, like sparkles or something. Again, you got the noise amount in there, and the panning. So you can do some cool stuff. But then you can also combine them. So say let's combine 1 and 2, and you got that look. And if you want to combine 1 and 3, this look. 2 and 3, you got that look. And you combine them all, you get like radiation, which I don't personally like the look of, but you know, I think it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. But yeah, that's that. So that's all the settings. Thanks for watching, and if you are interested in supporting my Patreon, you can click this button here, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.